Dear friends, today we will be discussing about one theorem given in ancient Indian mathematics. Vyase varidhi nihade rupahate vyasa sagarabhihate Tri Sharadhi Vishama Sankhya Bhaktam Ranam Swam Pradak Kramad Kulyad. The meaning of this theorem is: multiply the diameter of a circle with the 4. Multiply the diameter of the circle with the 4 and divide that value by 1 for getting the first value. Again, the diameter is to be multiplied with the 4 and divide separately by 3. Repeat it. Multiply the diameter with 4, divide by 5. Again, multiplication of the diameter with the 4 and dividing by 7. Like this, multiply the diameter of a circle with the 4 and divide by 1 for getting the first value, divide by 3 for getting the second value, divide by 5 for getting the third value, and repeat it for infinite number of odd numbers from 1 to n. Subtract and add alternatively and separately to the first value to get the circumference of the circle correctly. And now you can see, if you are writing in the mathematical form, circumference of a circle having the diameter d is equal to 4d by 1 minus 4d by 3 plus 4d by 5 minus 4d by 7 plus etc., where d is the diameter, and from this we can derive the value of pi very nicely. As you know, pi is equal to circumference by the diameter of that circle. So the value pi is equal to 4 into, that into is in bracket, 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus and so on. So this is a theorem given in ancient Indian pure mathematics book, and the theorem can be read like this: Vyase, Vyasa means diameter, Varidhi Nihade, Varidhi means 4, is a Bhuta Sankhya. Varidhi means 4. Rupa Hade, Rupa means 1, Hade means dividing, Vyasa Sagarabhihade. Then again multiply the diameter with Sagara means 4 and 3 Shara Adi Vishama Sankhya. 3 means 3 itself. Shara means Panja Shara 5. So multiply the diameter with 4, divide by 1. Again multiply the diameter with 4, divide by 3. Again multiply the diameter with 5, multiply with 4, divide by 5, and repeat it. Bhaktam Ranam Swam. Ranam means subtraction, Swam means addition. Krutva Kramad. Then you will be getting the paridhi of the circle, circumference of the circle. is the pure theorem given in astronomical cum mathematical book written 1500 years ago. Another theorem written by Pudumana Somayaji, who was born in Alathiyur near Tidur of Malappuram district, and he has written a book. Pudumana Somayaji has written a book, Karana Paddhati, in 1448, nearly 560 years ago, far before Sir Isaac Newton, Leibniz, Euler, and so on. That theorem gives you the explanation. Vyasad Chaturgnata. The diameter is to be multiplied with 4. Bahushaha. Repeat it for many number of times. Pradak start. Then keep it in different places. 3 Panja Sapta Adi Ayuga Hridani. 3 means 3 itself. Panja means 5. Sapta means 7. You divide this diameter multiplied with the 4 and keeping in different places respectively by 3, 5, 7 and so on. Then Vyase Chadurgne Kramashaha. Then whatever value you are getting by multiplying the diameter with the 4, that you have to Kramashaha, alternatively Swam Rinam Kuryat, do addition, and next value you do subtraction. Tada Syat Paridihi Susukshmaha. Then you will get the finest value of the circumference of a circle. So this is the Pudumana Somayaji's theorem. So now if I am reading the meaning of that, 4 times the diameter is to be divided separately by each of the odd integers 3, 5, 7 and so on. Every quotient whose order is even is taken away from one preceding it. The combined result of all such small operation when subtracted from 4 times the such small operation when subtracted from 4 times the diameter gives the circumference with a progressively greater accuracy. That is equal to, circumference is equal to 4d minus 4d into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 and so on. You will be getting the finest value for the circumference of a circle. Thus today we have read 2 theorems, and the third theorem, Vargair Yujamba Dvigunair Nirekair Vargi Kritaihi Varjita Yukma Vargaihi Vyasanja Shadignam Vibhajet Balam Swam Vyasetrinigne Paridistadasyat. Vargair Yujamba Dvigunair Nirekaihi Vargi Kritaihi Varjita Yukma Vargaihi Vyasanja Shadignam Vibhajet Balam Swam Vyasetrinigne Paridistadasyat. Its meaning is like this: 6 times the diameter, 6 times the diameter is divided separately by the square of twice the square of even integers 2, 4, 6, 8 minus 1, diminished by the squares of even integers themselves. The sum of the resulting quotient by thrice the diameter is the circumference. What is the value then? Circumference of a circle is equal to 3d plus 3d plus 6d by 6d by 1 by 2 into 2 square minus 1 the whole square minus 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 into 4 square minus 4 square plus 1 by 2 into 6 square minus 1 the square minus 6 square. 6 times the diameter is divided separately by the square of twice the square of even integers 2, 4, 6 minus 1 diminished by the squares of even integers themselves. The sum of the resulting quotient by thrice the diameter is the circumference of a circle. Such very complicated theorems are given in ancient India. We will be explaining more and more theorems, and we will be explaining many scientific facts just to bring to your attention, your information, that in India we had religion, philosophy, we had spirituality, we had psychology, and we also had pure science, pure mathematics, which even cannot be understood by a good mathematician of the modern period due to the complexity of ancient Indian mathematics. Remember that Indian knowledge was not very simple, it was so deep. The pure scientific literature written by ancient Indian rishis or acharyas, they are available in printed form with the English translation or Hindi translation or Kerala based scientific book in Malayalam translation. They are all available. Why we have to learn this? Just to know that in ancient India we had extremely high quality science and technology, and creating a sense of pride in the mind of the present and the future generation. Secondly, informing the world that we are the people who could discover or invent many of the theorems which now being claimed by the Western scholars. And third, many of these theorems and knowledge may be used or can be applied in the modern period for solving still complicated problems. Thank you very much. Pranams to you.